In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background in Google Calendar. We'll use a simple browser extension to customize the look of your calendar so it feels more personal and easier on the eyes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, install, and start using a custom background in Google Calendar. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Take a quick look at your calendar as it is now, because soon you'll be able to compare it with your new customized version. Leave this tab open. We'll come back to it once the extension is installed. Next, open a new tab in the same browser and go to chromewebstore.google.com. This is the official Chrome web store where you can safely find and install extensions. It's important to do this in the same browser where you use Google Calendar because the extension will only work there. Once the Chrome Web Store page loads, find the search box near the top and type in custom calendar background, then press enter. You should see a list of results related to Google Calendar themes and backgrounds. Look through the results and find the one called custom calendar background. Make sure the name matches exactly so you're installing the correct extension. When you've found custom calendar background, click on it to open its details page. Here you'll see a description, screenshots, user reviews, and the developer information. It's a good idea to glance through this to confirm it does what you need and that it has decent ratings. On this same page, look for the button that says Add to Chrome and click it. Your browser may show a pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to add the extension and listing the permissions it needs. Read those briefly, and if you're comfortable with them, click to confirm. After a moment, you should see a message that the extension has been added. Once it's installed, move your attention to the top right corner of your browser window and click on the extension's icon. It usually looks like a little puzzle piece. This opens a list of all the extensions you have installed. From that list, find Custom Calendar Background and click on it. This will open the extension settings or a small menu, depending on how it's designed. Here, you'll typically be able to choose an image from your computer, paste a link to an image, or select from preset options. After you pick your background, switch back to your Google Calendar tab and refresh the page if needed. You should now see your new custom background applied behind your calendar, giving it a fresh, personalized look.